Here is a Hyundai Sonata. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and open up the driver's side door. Now right over there at the bottom left, you'll find the primary hood release lever. Pull it lightly. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Hyundai emblem there, right on that left edge, put one finger in there and then lift up the hood with the other hand. Now this hood is supported by the two hood struts, one and the second one over there. Alright, now let's go ahead and get this fuse box cover off. This cover is held in place by those two clips, so press those clips and then pull the cover up. You may have to wiggle it, but it'll come right out. Now underneath the cover you'll find the fuse diagram. That's gonna come handy in just a minute. First thing first, let's get this fuse puller tool out. Grab it and out it comes. So the way it works, it goes on the fuse. You squish it and you put it on the fuse and then you pull it out and it pulls the fuse out with it. Now very likely the problem is just a bad fuse. The power outlet itself is good, and the good thing is we have spare fuses with us. See at the bottom right corner there's a bunch of fuses. It says spare. Yep, that, and corresponds with those ones over there. Now we'll focus on the two fuses over here. I'll show you for the third one later on. Those two fuses, and that fusion specifically is for this outlet, the front driver side outlet, and this one is for the rear outlet, the one in the center console by the rear seats. Let's get this fuse puller on the fuse and pull it. See what happens? The power is gone from the power outlet. Because my fuse is good, how do I know it's good? Look at the center part of it. If the center part is broken, then it's a bad fuse. If it's not broken, it's a good fuse. If yours is broken, then that's the problem right there. Bad fuse. So get the 20 amp spare fuse only. Never replace a 20 amp fuse with a 15 or 25 or anything else. Always replace a 20 amp fuse with a 20 amp fuse only. Check the middle part. Make sure this is good. Put it back in. As you see, the power is back in the power outlet. Repeat the process for the other one. As you can see, the moment I pull it out, power is gone because my fuse is good. Again, now you know what the process is. If your fuse is bad, just replace it with the spare fuse. Now for the third one, go in the car and pull this panel. That's where the secondary fuse panel is, and underneath the cover is the fuse diagram. We'll focus on this one over there. That is for the front passenger one, and that's the fuse for it over there. Again, same process. You know by now what we are going to do. We're going to put the fuse puller on it, pull it, and my fuse is good, so as soon as I pull it, power's gone. See that the center part is not broken, so it's a good fuse. If yours is broken, get this spare 20 amp fuse from the main fuse box and put it right over there, just like that, and then push it in to secure it in place, and power's back on. Once you are done, don't forget to put this panel cover back on. Clip it in place like that. Put the fuse puller back in its place. Put the main fuse panel cover on. Push it down to secure it in place, and that's it. In order to close the hood, just grab the hood, lower it, and then slam it shut. Hope you found it useful.